guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm starting the vlog a little bit later in the day. My mom and I are about to go get tested for COVID. Long story short, we were exposed to someone who was exposed to someone who was positive. It's not very likely that we have it, but we're still getting tested to be responsible and like quarantining and everything. Start recording, and if you see this record thing, it's on. Okay. All of them. My eyes are like,
oh, yeah, my eyes started to water a little bit afterwards.
no, mine did too.
It wasn't bad. I don't think it was bad. It wasn't a bad experience for me. It didn't take as long as I thought.
Yeah.
It stung.
Yeah, it definitely stung. I think I'm feeling it worse than she is. Like, it wasn't bad in the moment. You guys saw how I reacted. If we got it, I don't know.
Yeah, if I managed to record it.
I'm feeling it more like right now, like it's stinging afterwards.
You know what? My only concern is I hope she did it long enough to get an accurate test. That's my only thing.
I'm sure they've been trained. I think they're probably good. I'm wondering if like, cause we got tested by 2 different people. I'm wondering if like she didn't do it as like deep as the girl that did mine did, because I'm like feeling it a lot more than I think you are. I think you're like totally fine right now.
Fine. It stung. It's over.
Yeah.
Nothing.
No, it's like, it's not bad at all, but
it looks worse on TV because the stick is very long.
I don't even want to like think about it.
Long.
I'm so scared to edit this because I don't want to have to watch myself do it again. I'm just gonna like close my eyes. What are we doing tonight?
We're having pizza, probably watching something good on TV.
I was gonna say we should watch like Elf or something. Or, like,
I thought you were gonna say that.
Yeah. I'm back home now. I just washed my hands and like cleaned my phone and everything, and I changed into some sweatpants. I don't even know if you guys could see before, but I was wearing jeans. You can't even tell what they look like, but they're from Cotton On. I've actually been trying to vlog for the past few days. I filmed 2 entire vlogs and hated both of them, so they just never made it to the internet. It's kind of ironic because in one of them I talked about how I do that all the time, where I film and then I end up editing it and hating it and then deleting it, and then that's exactly what happened in that vlog. So hopefully you guys are seeing this right now. Let me fill you in on what you missed from those vlogs. The first day, you missed literally nothing. I was pretty much just doing homework. I uploaded a video. Oh, I also added a new little collage to my room. Here's what it looks like. I think it looks so cute. I really like how it turned out. It was actually super easy. If you are wondering, I used duct tape to put it up. I just rolled up like tiny little pieces of duct tape so that it was like double-sided, and I just stuck it on my wall, and it was super easy. And then the second day that I vlogged that I did not put on the internet actually turned out to be so bad. I premiered my iPhone unboxing video that day, and I got a bunch of hate, and people were being really mean in the premiere, and usually I'm super good at not letting that get to me, but that day for some reason I lost it. Yeah, so that was not a fun day, and I just didn't want to put that on the internet because I don't know, I was just in a very negative mood. It kind of got better later in the day though, because I went to Target to do like a drive-up order. Just to clarify, did not come into contact with anyone, didn't interact in any way. The windows were rolled up. Basically, they just go outside and put your order in the trunk of your car, so I didn't even have to get out of my car. But in my drive-up order, I got a little Christmas tree for my room. I think it is so cute. I just have it sitting on this little bin that I turned upside down so that it's a little taller, and it came pre-lit, so that was really cool. So yeah, sorry if that was a little bit of a rant, but now you're caught up on the past few days of my life. I have a speech due tonight at 11:59. Most of it is already done, so it's gonna be super quick to finish, so that's what I'm gonna do right now, and I won't show you guys that because that's really boring, so I'll talk to you guys later. It is 5:21. I finished recording my speech. It was actually super easy because I already had it written. I just needed to do like an audio recording. Now I'm gonna go run to Target and pick something up. It's just the drive-up thing, so I am not gonna be in contact with anyone, don't worry. The sky looks insane right now. It's like super cloudy, and there's this one spot that like the moon is right behind, and it just looks really cool. Anyways, I have nothing else to say, so I'm gonna stop recording. I'll tell you guys when I get there. Okay, I'm at Target now. I'm just waiting for them to come out with my stuff. You guys should be proud of me right now because there are several cars around me that can like easily see what I'm doing, but I'm just still vlogging. I would not have been able to do this like a few months ago probably. I don't know why. I just was so scared for no reason. Like, I'm never gonna see these people again. Who cares what they think of me? Those of you who have been watching me for a while know how big this is for me, even though it's not even a big deal. Down in the trunk, please. Thank you. I totally forgot that my music was playing during that, so I might have to change the pitch. So sorry if it sounded a little bit weird. This guy is probably laughing at me right now that just brought me my stuff because I was here with my mom last night getting mac and cheese for dinner, and he was also the one that brought it out to us last night. So he's seen me 2 nights in a row now. I also know him though because I went to middle school with him, so I'm sure he was not judging. He actually sees me here all the time. It's a little bit embarrassing, but whatever. I don't think we really got anything that interesting. Probably just like more food that we needed. Oh, I did get cupcake mix. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna make those tonight. I totally forgot. Also, my mom ordered pizza for us, so I'm gonna eat when I get home. And then I'll probably make cupcakes because I've been craving them for some reason. I'm eating super unhealthy today, but I really couldn't care less. The lighting's probably super weird right now, so I'll see you guys when I get home. Hello.
Hello. Any pizzas out there?
No.
So how do they do that? They just put it on your doorstep and then run?
On your doorstep and run?
The pizza?
Oh, the pizza?
Yeah, how do they do that?
Yeah. I know, it's so cute.
Oh, that's adorable. Adorbs.
Look at that, looks pretty fat.
What? What is that? Boston cream pie cupcakes? Okay, here's the pillow that I got. It matches my red blanket that I also got from Target. Shout out to my friend Robert for telling me about these matching pillows because I literally went back and got one. So I'm gonna cut the tag off. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. I add like a new Christmas decoration to my room every day. My parents said that the pizza is gonna be here in like 30 or 40 minutes. I have some time to kill, so I think I'm gonna start editing this video. Okay, so I thought I'd tell you guys about the rest of my weekend. As you all know, my parents and I are quarantining, so we all just stayed home and hung out. It was a really relaxing weekend. On Friday night, I made some cupcakes, as you can see right here. I think I made them wrong. You're supposed to get 24 out of this, but I only got 12, so I'm not sure what happened there, but they were so good. And then on Saturday morning, we all cleaned the house. Here's my room before I cleaned it, and here's my room after. Looks so much better. Then I poured myself some coffee and did some homework, maybe a little bit of online shopping. And then later that night, I was brainstorming some video ideas. I had asked you guys on Instagram what videos you wanted to see from me, so I was just looking at your responses. And then on Sunday morning, I decided to make some banana bread. I'll have the link to the recipe in the description. I highly recommend making this, it's so good. Then I poured myself some more coffee. Later that night, I was working on some outro ideas for December, which you guys will get a sneak peek of later in the vlog. And then it was Monday morning. Hey guys, so it is Monday morning. It feels really weird to talk right now because I haven't like talked yet this morning, so I don't know, my face feels very like stiff, if that makes sense. Also, can we just take a moment to appreciate my setup right now? I have some banana bread that I made yesterday and coffee in this little snowman mug. It is not even December yet, you guys. I really just don't care though. Not only is it not even December yet, it's not even Thanksgiving yet, but that's okay. I'm celebrating Christmas early and there's nothing you can do to stop me. Is the phone ringing? I swear I just heard my phone ring. That's a little bit weird. Today is gonna be a very good day, and you know why? Because I don't have school. I am off for a whole week and I am just so excited. I needed this so badly, you guys. So I was making a to-do list today. I do this every morning if you didn't know. I actually think I've talked about it in a couple vlogs before, but then I deleted them and never uploaded them. So I guess you guys wouldn't know that I make to-do lists every morning. This morning I found that there was not much on my to-do list at all, which is amazing. That hasn't happened in like so long. Also, do you guys like my little Apple Pencil cover? Looks like a carrot. I got it on Amazon and it's like my favorite thing ever. I bought it as like a joke at first, but now I actually love it unironically. While I was making my to-do list, I was watching Emma Chamberlain's new video with Hiram. It is really good so far. I haven't even eaten my banana bread yet. That's so good. I'm sure you guys can tell, but I just woke up a little bit ago, and so excuse like all of this right now. Oh, I forgot to turn on my Christmas tree. This little Christmas tree that I have in my room, it has brought me so much joy. It is the best thing that I have in my entire room. Just look at all of this right now. Oh my gosh, my room screams Christmas. I was also gonna tell you guys, I learned how to use Procreate last night, and I made a couple outro options for the month of December, so if you're watching this vlog right now, you are getting a sneak peek. Let me grab my laptop. There's music behind it, but I won't show you guys that part yet. So this is the first one. It's a little bit more like cutesy and like childish, I guess. And then this one is my personal favorite. I think it's a lot more like mature. The colors look a little bit different on camera, but you guys will see what it looks like when it's in a video. I think this is the one that I'm gonna stick with. Comment down below which one you like better. I feel like I've been talking for a while, so I'm gonna turn the camera off and finish my banana bread and my coffee, and I'll just talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it's a little bit later. I just edited the beginning of this video, and then I started a load of laundry, and I went on TikTok for a little bit bit. A couple nights ago, I actually made a TikTok about my Christmas wish list and you guys really liked it. It did like surprisingly well, so thank you guys for that. I'm glad you liked it. Also, if you want to go see that TikTok or follow me or anything, it's always in the description along with all of my other socials. They will probably be on the screen too, so yeah, go follow if you want. But now, unfortunately, it is time to work out. So you guys already know the drill at this point. I do Pamela Reif's workouts. I'm not looking my best today. I'm sorry about that, guys. Sorry, that was random. I've just been like looking in the viewfinder and I'm like, ooh. Okay, I'm gonna start working out now. I will talk to you guys in a little bit. I just finished eating and doing some chores and stuff. I've just been watching Ava Jules, and then my friend Brayden brought me Starbucks. He just left it at my front door and then like texted me, so don't worry, we did not come into contact with each other. But I swear he read my mind or something, because I had been like craving Starbucks, and I was even thinking about like doing Grubhub, and then I was like, no, you cannot let yourself Grubhub a $5 drink. I would probably end up paying like more than $10 for it, and I was just not about to let that happen, no matter how strong my craving was. I'll update you guys later.